Today, we're mixing it up a little more. We are in this brand new construction in the middle of Falls Church City.
We are at 1307 Robinson Place in Falls Church. This home is 7,000 square feet of brand new construction distributed in 3 levels. The house sits on a lot that is a little over a quarter of an acre. It has 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a powder room, and a 2-car garage. With vaulted ceilings, high-end appliances, 2 laundry rooms on different levels of the house, closets that go forever, and more importantly, the attention to detail from the builder is absolutely top-notch. If you consider the location, the size of the house on the lot, plus the luxurious finishes, it is hard to believe that the house is priced at $2,495,000.
Listed by Deyi Awadallah at D.S.A Properties and Investments. And this gorgeous house was built also by D.S.A Builders. So come with me and let's explore this beauty. Okay, I already did a walkthrough around the house, and what a breath of fresh air this house is. This is probably my top 10 favorite house in the area. First of all, on the left-hand side, you have a studio or an office space. It has a closet, and so this is considered one of the bedrooms of the house. So immediately to the right-hand side is one of the staircases to the top floor. And you have this oversized entrance, which is really, really pretty. All right. You go forward and you are in the open concept great room. You have a breakfast table here, and then your family room, and then a dining room, which is pretty, has windows around it, Japanese maple on the neighbor's house, which looks gorgeous. And you can easily fit 8 to 10, maybe 12 people in this room. And immediately next, you have this gourmet kitchen that is absolutely awesome. You have this island with storage, which is incredibly convenient. You have high-end appliances. You have your microwave, and then this 48-inch double oven range. You have your dishwasher, and of course, a columned refrigerator that is also incredibly nice. And of course, you have a deck that wraps around the fireplace in case you want to entertain, and like always, we're gonna end up the video outside. All right, before we go to the basement, then you're gonna have this powder room, which is incredibly pretty and timeless and incredibly well done. And here you have a coat closet, which is also really big. And then you're gonna have your first bedroom. This actually could be your owner's suite. It is incredibly good size, plenty of light. You have this huge closet area. It's open in one of them. big closet. And then you are going to have also a full bathroom. His and hers sink and a huge shower. And again, guys, this is not the primary bedroom on the second floor. This could be a secondary primary bedroom. Your parents, or for yourself if you are hard to go up and down staircases. All right, let's go back past the kitchen. All right, you're gonna have your first laundry room, and look at this pantry. This is gorgeous. And what an incredible use of space. Floor is tile in this area, the laundry room or the pantry. And then you're gonna have a sink. Look at this kind of mudroom space. And the reason is because this staircase goes down into the garage down there. Pew. All right, look at the tile. In this channel, we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington. We talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly about living in the area. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell, because every week we post a new video and you do not want to miss it. By the way, if you're looking to relocate into the Northern Virginia area, you're moving from another state, or you're relocating inside the state, please make sure to give us a call, send us a text message, whatever is more convenient for you. If you have questions about real estate, we have answers. And let's go to the second level. We are on the second level. On the second level, you're gonna have 4 bedrooms, and each bedroom has its own bathroom, except for one of them. And you're gonna have your primary laundry room. Then we're gonna have a couple of linen closets. Actually, look at this. This is your secondary water heater. And this will be the linen closet. All right, let's go into the secondary bedrooms first. Bedrooms are of a good size, plenty of room, and also good closet space. This is one of the smallest rooms, and you have decent size closet space. And then you're gonna have a Jack and Jill bathroom. Look at this, 2 sinks, and of course, toilet room with a shower or and a tub. And then this would be the second bedroom. So these 2 bedrooms share a bathroom. And look at this, I was really fooled. I thought that this closet was gonna be tiny, because it is a kind of a smaller door, but look at this. It is a big walk-in closet. And today it's a very gloomy day. It was raining, you can see out there. It's not raining anymore, but we don't have full sunlight outside, and there is plenty of light throughout the house. All right, let's go to bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 is bigger than the other 2 bedrooms. Also, you have a really nice window, and this would be a view from the other side. This one also has a big closet. And then the bathroom. I love these bathrooms. The tile that they use and the colors are really pretty. Okay, and without further ado, let's take a look at the primary bedroom, which is to the other side. Okay, these are the staircases, and you have these French doors that open up to a vaulted ceiling bedroom. You have a seating area with a beverage cooler. Of course, you can do bottles of wine. And then it opens up to this gorgeous bedroom. The bedroom has a very nice sized balcony. Let's go there before we go to the bathroom. You are on the second floor. You have a very nice view of your backyard. Look at these trees. This is gorgeous. And before we go into the bathroom, let's take a look at this closet. Have a nice closet space with an island in the middle. Drawers on all sides. You have plenty of size or space for hanging clothes and shirts and pants and suits and whatnot. Shoe space. And you have drawers on this side of the island and also on this side. Okay guys, let's take a look at this gorgeous bathroom. All right, first of all, you have the tub on the window. And look at the size of this shower. It's pretty much like a his and hers shower, and you have the rain heads and you have the regular shower heads, and both have your wand. And of course you're gonna have your toilet room and then 2 sinks. Let's go to the basement. Here in the basement, you're gonna have this closet at the end of the staircase with a sump pump. It's pretty good storage space, and I'm pretty sure these are the shut-off valves for the outside bins. And then here on this left-hand side, there's a big room that you could use as a exercise room. And I don't know if you notice, but on the ceiling, you're gonna have speakers throughout the entire house. And of course, all the house is also wired for Ethernet. I'm pretty sure it's Cat 6, and for connecting your TVs. And here in the basement, you have a closet underneath the staircase. And here you have your 2 electrical panels. And then you have this open space. Really, really nice. You have a sink with a dishwasher and a wine cooler. And you have this big room. And it's a walkout basement. So through those doors, you're in your backyard. All right, here in the basement, you're gonna have also an additional bedroom, which is a really, really good size. With a nice size closet. And your bathroom. Super pretty penny tile. And then your shower. I am going to dare say that all the showers are glass doors. And then that door over there is your dual car garage. Completely finished. It has an independent door. And of course, you have your connections for electric vehicles and a big size closet. A big size closet underneath this staircase, which is a second staircase that goes to the kitchen area. So that's the secondary staircase. Before we go there, let's take a look at the mechanical room. And here it is, your second water heater. And then you have your second HVAC system. And again, plenty of room for additional storage, and all your cables throughout the house connect to this panel here. Let's go to the second level before we go to the outside, but let's go through the secondary staircase. So you come from your garage with the groceries, and this is your coat closet or mud room, sorry. Wet clothes after the game go in your washer and dryer, and you can put your groceries right away here. And then of course, the kitchen. And guys, thank you very much for tuning in the channel. Let's finish up the video here in the backyard. Somebody's doing the lift, so it's gonna be a little bit noisy. Like I said before, one of my top 10 houses in the neighborhood. I hope you loved it. And if you want to tour this house or any other house here in the neighborhood, make sure you give us a call. Again, thank you very much for tuning in the video today. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell because we post videos every week. My name is Miguel, and this is your channel, Living in Arlington Today. See you next week.